Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Smart 4.2. So this car's been fitted with an A-frame, giving it the ability to be towed behind a motorhome. But on top of this you get this lovely glass roof, it's 15-inch alloy wheels, the touchscreen features sat-nav as well as radio, CD player and Bluetooth. And on top of this the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This is a two-owner vehicle that comes with the automatic 1 litre petrol engine. Now this has 71 horsepower, the car's done under 17,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.